Hello students, in this particular video lecture we are going to discuss about the environmental studies, the first unit of environmental studies, that is the multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies. In this module we will discuss about the definition of environment, then secondly multidisciplinary nature of EVS, its scope and its importance. Thirdly, need for public awareness. So, to start with, what is environment? The physical, chemical and biological condition of the region in which an organism lives is called an environment. So, it is called environment. In simple terms, we can say whatever we have around us is environment. Now, what is physical condition? Physical condition refers to the atmosphere, the gaseous mantle around the surface of earth is called atmosphere, then land, river, the oceans, these are all physical conditions. Now you can have a look on it. This is the atmosphere, the gaseous mantle around the surface of earth, then land, and it includes river and ocean. So the chemical conditions are various chemical cycles like oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle, carbon dioxide cycle, all these are the chemical cycles. Next is biological conditions, all living organisms. It starts from microorganisms like your bacteria, viruses, to larger like your plants, animals, human beings, all these are included in biological conditions. Next is multidisciplinary nature of environmental studies. Environmental studies includes a large number of disciplines, like it includes ecology, it includes biology, chemistry, atmospheric science, oceanography deals with the study of oceans, geology, anthropology, archaeology, sociology, history, political science, engineering, economics, ethics, population growth, environmental pollution. So all these are the disciplines, and since environmental studies deals with all the disciplines, a large number of disciplines, it can rightly be called as multidisciplinary in nature. Coming over to the next, the scope of EVS. A lots of those scopes of EVS are there, like the scopes of environmental studies is very wide, and it deals with many areas like conservation of natural resources, like your forest resources, like your mineral resources, then ecological aspects, pollution of the surrounding natural resources, air pollution, water pollution, then scopes are there in your sound pollution, noise pollution, and many more. Then controlling the pollution, social issues connected to it, and impacts of human population on the environment. Importance of EVS. The following are the importance of EVS, environmental studies. It helps to clarify modern environmental concepts like how to conserve biodiversity, then to know the more sustainable way of living, again to use natural resources more effectively, then to know the behavior of organism under natural conditions, to know the interrelationship between organisms in populations and communities, and to aware and educate people regarding environmental issues and problems at local, national and international levels. Next is need for public awareness about the environment. Increasing population, urbanization and poverty have generated pressure on the natural resources and lead to a degradation of the environment. To prevent the environment from further degradation, the Supreme Court has ordered and initiated environmental protection awareness through government and non-government agencies to take part in protecting our environment. Environmental pollution cannot be prevented by laws alone. Public participation is equally important with regard to environmental protection. Environmental education is a process of learning by giving an overall perspective of knowledge and awareness of the environment. It sensitizes the society about environmental issues and challenges interested individuals to develop skills and expertise, thereby providing appropriate solutions. Climate change, loss of biodiversity, declining fisheries, ozone layer depletion, illegal trade of endangered species, destruction of habitats and land degradation, depletion of groundwater supplies, introduction of alien species, environmental pollution, solid waste disposal, storm water and sewage disposal pose a serious threat to the ecosystems in forest, rural, urban and marine ecosystems. Both formal and informal education on the environment will give the interested individual the knowledge, values, skills and tools needed to face the environmental challenges on a local and global level. Thank you for watching.